How often have you welcomed the first buds of spring and cheered them on, only to have deer devour them just as they bloom? Bobbex deer repellent can prevent that, as independent studies prove. Effective protection depends on proper application, which varies somewhat with each season. In spring, gardeners often make two common mistakes that leave their plants vulnerable. The first is not applying Bobbex early enough. Tender young growth emerges at the end of a long winter when deer have limited food options. Of course, your hosta, crocus, and tulips look like a feast to them. Don't let deer herds destroy your beautiful landscaping virtually overnight. The minute you see new growth, start spraying with Bobbex. The other common springtime mistake is not spraying often enough. Plants grow quickly in the spring and Bobbex must coat plants in order to protect them. Let too much time go by and any new growth is unprotected and vulnerable. In spring, you need to use Bobbex every week to 10 days in order to safeguard your plants. In summer, the time of day when you apply Bobbex is important. Never apply Bobbex when temperatures are above 85 degrees Fahrenheit. At high temperatures, the magnification of the sun through the applied liquid can damage the plant. Spray your plants early in the morning or late in the day when temperatures are cooler. It takes about 6 hours for Bobbex to dry on a plant, so never apply it right before it rains. Once it dries, it won't wash off. Follow these simple steps and you can enjoy a lush garden filled with hosta, daylilies, roses, and other favorites all season long. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.